Good afternoon, teacher. My name is Marta Shaka. In my final test, I'm going to talk about the Unit 3, the past simple. For example, I was working in my office. I was working with my college. I was in a meeting in my office. I was answering the different questions in the work. I was working with my friends. In the afternoon, I was with my college. And finally, in conclusion, I can work with my college. I can communicate with other person, and the English is very important. For example, the Unit 3, I can I can learn more in this moment, and I can work in the office. Thank you, teacher.